Hello students, today we will start new chapter called surface area and volume. In this video, we will discuss about general formula of various shapes, 3D shapes, 3D figure. So let us start with the first slide. In this slide, various 3D figure and their pictures are given. The first one is cuboid. Okay, if you look at the first figure, this one is the picture of cuboid. Now I am zooming this picture. As you can see, this cuboid are having 6 faces. What are the example for cuboid? A book, then if you take a box or any bricks, these are the example of cuboid. Okay, in cuboid there are 6 faces. You can imagine from this figure. This one is first, this one is second, this one is third, this one is fourth, the back one is fifth, and the front one is sixth. Okay, so if you take a book, you can easily find these 6 faces. Now what is the property for this cuboid? This cuboid are having 3 dimensions. This one is length, this one is breadth, and this one is height. For cuboid, this length, breadth and height, these 3 dimensions are different. They will be unequal. Okay. Now we will look at the second diagram. It is cube. Okay, the second 3D figure is cube. If you look at the picture, as you can see, these two pictures are similar kind of. Cube also having 6 faces, and the example of cube is dice of Ludo, then Rubik's cube. These are the example of cube figure. So this cube figure also having 6 faces, and the difference between cube and cuboid are, in cuboid the length, breadth and height was unequal, but for cube all the side of cube are equal. That means this side is equal to this side is equal to this side is equal to this one is equal to this one is equal to this one. All the sides of this cube are equal. Okay, so how many sides are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So this 12 sides will be equal in length. So we can consider the each side as a. So what is the property for cube? For cube, each side of the figure will be equal in length. Okay. Now we'll look at the third diagram. It is right circular cylinder. Okay. This one is the diagram of right circular cylinder. Okay, I will discuss about it in the later on. Then the fourth one is right circular cone. Okay, then fifth one is the example of sphere. This is the figure of sphere. And the sixth one is hemisphere. Okay, sixth one is hemisphere. That is the half of the sphere. What is the example of sphere? Such as football, tennis ball, cricket ball. These all things are the example of sphere. Okay, hemisphere is the half of sphere. That means if you cut a sphere in 2 equal parts, it will become hemisphere. Okay, the example of right circular cone is birthday cap. Okay, you know about this example. The proper example of right circular cone is birthday cap. Then right circular cylinder, proper example of right circular cylinder will be a hollow pipe or a solid pipe. Then this is a simple example. Okay, So now we'll discuss about the surface area, total surface area, curved surface area and volume of cuboid. Okay, so this one is the picture of cuboid. The curved surface area of this cuboid is 2 into height into length plus breadth. Okay, curved surface area means, in cuboid there is 6 faces. Except this up and bottom face. Except this up and bottom face, all the sides are considered as curved surface area. Okay, that means curved surface area will be the addition of this surface, the back side one and this one. This will be the curved surface of a cuboid. Okay, in simple word, the curved surface area will be the area except the top and bottom surface of cuboid. Okay, and this is the formula. Total surface area means the area of this whole cuboid. Okay, total surface area is the area of whole cuboid, and the formula is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. And the volume means the capacity of this figure, means how many material can be stored in this cuboid, how many water can you fill in this cuboid, what is the capacity of the figure is considered as volume. The formula is length into breadth into height. Next is cube. Similarly for cube curved surface area, that means the area except top and bottom surface is equal to 4 square. Total surface area is equal to 6 square and the volume is a cube. You have to remember these formulas. Now here this A is equal to length of the side. A is equal to length of sides. Okay. Now next one is right circular cylinder. For right circular cylinder, if you consider a pipe, okay, if you consider a solid pipe, there will be 3 faces. One is top one, that means this face. One is this bottom face, and the third one is this round one. Okay, there will be 3 faces in a solid right circular cylinder. This yellow part, this curved one, is considered as curved surface, and the area of this curved surface is equal to 2 pi rh, where r is equal to the radius of this top face and the bottom face. Okay, r is radius of top or bottom, both will be same, circle. Okay, and h is the height of the circle. H is, not height of the circle, height of cylinder. Okay, so curved surface area means the area of this curved surface, this round one. Okay, now total surface. Total surface means all area of all this cylinder along with this top face and bottom face. It will be 2 pi r into r plus h. And I told you volume means the capacity of this figure. The capacity is pi r square h. Here r is the radius of the circle and h is the height of the cylinder. So now we'll discuss about the surface area and volume of the figure cone. So as I told you, the proper example for cone is birthday cap. So if you Imagine a birthday cake. There will be two faces. One is this curved surface one, curved one, and another one is the bottom face, right? This one is the bottom circular face. So there will be two faces for a right circular cone. So curved surface area will be the area of this round one. So how can you find the curved surface area? For a circular cone, if the radius is r and if the height of the cone is h, then this side is considered as slant height. Okay, this is considered as slant height. Slant height is denoted by L, and the formula is root under height square plus radius square. Okay, so the curved surface area is pi r L, where L is the slant height. Total surface area is equal to the area of this curved surface one plus the area of this bottom circle, and the formula is 2 pi r into r plus L, and the volume or the capacity of this cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. If you look at these three formula, only for curved surface area you need to find slant height. Okay, that means if in the question height and radius is given to find the curved surface area, if the height and radius are given to find the curved surface area, you need to find the height of slant side, the length of slant height. Okay, will be 1 by 3 pi r square h. Similarly, for now sphere, the proper example is football. If you consider the radius of the circle as r, here will be only one surface. Here the total surface and curved surface both is same. Why? Because for sphere there is only one face. There is only one face. That's why here curved surface and total surface both will be same. And the surface area will be pi r square h. Sorry, 4 pi r square. Total surface area will be 4 pi r square. And the volume will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now for the hemisphere. Now if you take a hemisphere, that means if you dividing a sphere in two equal halves, you will get a hemisphere. Now if you look at the figure, there is two faces for a hemisphere. One is this bottom surface, okay, this bottom circle, and another one is this curved surface, this curved one. Okay, you have to imagine the figure. If you divide a cricket ball, a solid cricket ball, in two pieces, what you will get? Okay, there will be two faces. One is the bottom circle, okay, and another one is the curved surface. Now here you have to find the curved surface, because now here is two faces. The curved surface area will be 2 pi r square. That means the surface area of this region, this curved surface, is 2 pi r square. And total surface area, that means this one plus the curved surface area. The total surface area will be 3 pi r square, and the volume will be 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, this was the formula for hemisphere. Now in this video, the curved surface area, total surface area and volume of 6 3D figures are given. You have to remember each and every formula, because this exercise surface area and volume is depending on these formulas. Okay, so that's why you have to remember all this formula. Okay, so this is all for today. Thank you.